My name is Jean-Christophe Bayard. I'm a business engineer working as supply chain manager in the plastic packaging industry here in Luxembourg. And I'm associated for this project with design agency 1Point61 from Namur in Belgium. We are developing a furniture piece. The first one is an L shape that can be then a single seat. Then you can assemble it to become a desk, a podium, a table, and even a bench by just putting it on the side. We have a second module, which is a small cube, which then can welcome vegetal, flowers, plants, and so you can create by assembly a complete environment in which nature is present. We are collecting PET recycling waste. So this is coming from the recycling process of plastic bottles. And then we are micronizing the material so that it becomes a raw material for a different plastic industry, which is the rotomolding. And then we are making a furniture out of it. The modules have been designed so that they ideally fit on a Euro pallet, so that really optimize transport and storage. And by doing so, we minimize the logistics cost and also the greenhouse gas emission through the lifespan of the modules. The added value of the program that Luxinnovation developed is really workshops during which we could meet other teams, share with them, and also benefit from a lot of subjects like intellectual properties, design thinking, business strategies, which are critical factors for the success of a business.